if my dogs let me, I'm about to show you how to make the wax liquidizer with some concentrate. This concentrate is already in a glass, and I didn't want to make a mess, and I have some very weird shot glasses, so I'm putting it in a pan. That way it'll be easier for you to see. Pan has water in it. I'm going to get the camera up here and show you. See, so when the water boils, it'll be like a double boiler. And we'll add the wax liquidizer. Hold on. All right. So since I have a gram of wax, and I want to make a gram with about 1.5 milliliters of wax liquidizer. So I have a syringe. You can use the dropper that comes with it, but I like to be real precise, so I will add the 1.5 milliliters slowly onto there. I'll show you what that looks like up close. Liquidizer's in there. Okay, now it's going to heat up. I've got it on high right now, but I'm going to turn it down about midway. When I notice the water's getting a little warm, I can still touch it so it's not. This part always takes like sometimes up to 10 minutes on the stove, and you just want to be around to watch it because you don't want it to get too hot. So I'm going to pause this, and I'll get back with you in a few minutes. All right, it's starting to get warm, and I'm going to stir it a little. Do this a couple times. I've got the heat turned down. This is just a dabbing tool. I'm just kind of spraying it out. You don't need to rush it. And I was curious, if you needed to decarb it, you don't. You just need to get it liquidized and kind of comfortable with it being liquidized. Right now it is. I'm going to stir it a little bit more while I set the camera back up here. Okay, now that's the water steaming, that's not smoke. The glass is still safely down in there. Okay, I'm letting it soak in. Always have some paper towels ready. It's looking really good, actually. I can't get a close-up with the angle my camera's in, but I've got a cart. I ordered a 10-pack for $15. And I totally intend on filling this one with what is Rhythm's Tangy. It's the live sugar. And we're looking at 82% THCA when I'm done with this, smoking it here. So, all right, I'm going to turn this all the way down. I'm going to stir this up with my syringe a little. And if you don't have a syringe, you can use one of these little bottles, but you want the mix to be cool because this is plastic. All right, it's a real quick like, otherwise we're gonna have to let it cool down. I'm doing this quick for you guys. All right, here's my syringe. Here is a 1 milliliter cart with a cap on it. All ready to enjoy. Thanks for watching. I did it so you don't have to, unless you want to.